We have an announcement today from FCCC with respect to new fuel and LPG prices. This was determined by the latest review done by FCCC, and the new fuel prices will come into effect from Saturday midnight, Sunday morning, 15th of April. And the changes are as follows. Motor spirit will rise from $2.03 to $2.06, so there's a 3 cents per litre rise. Kerosene from $1.49 to $1.54, there's an increase of 5 cents. Diesel from $1.71 to $1.76, again an increase of 5 cents per litre. Premix remains the same at $1.89 per litre, with a slight reduction of 0.2% at the wholesale level. With LPG, we are fortunate. LPG prices have gone down. So the 4.5 kilogram cylinder goes from $14.43 to $12.73, a decrease of $1.70. And for a 12 kilogram cylinder, from $38.48 to $33.94, a decrease of $4.54. Bulk from $2.72 per kg to $2.40, and it's a decrease of 32 cents. And auto gas per litre from $1.82 to $1.60, a decrease of 22 cents. These prices are reflected from the period of 15th of April to the 14th of July 2018. Main reason for the rise in the motor spirit, kerosene and diesel is because the OPEC countries are still continuing to reduce production together with the non-OPEC participating non-OPEC countries, and that's easily what we've got. A decrease in LPG prices, and that comes about because of favorable freight rates, etc., that come about for this last particular quarter. So that's the announcement for today.